Even after normal cleaning and disinfecting, pathogens can still be found on different surfaces and deep inside nooks and crevices. Adding a fogging procedure to your treatment process ensures that all precautions have been taken to reduce the threat of exposure to infectious diseases. With the introduction of Sanosil's Halo Fogger, adjunct disinfecting of surfaces within a room has never been easier. The Halo performs the complex task of dispensing atomized Sanosil disinfectant within large spaces, and is as easy and simple to operate as your household dishwasher. Now, let's take an in-depth look at the Halo's full operation, start to finish. First, prepare the room to be treated by closing all windows and doors. Close or cover all heating and air conditioning vents and smoke detectors. If possible, temporarily disable the fire alarm systems and the HVAC system. Position the Halo in one corner of the room with the nozzle facing towards the center of the room. Find the size of the room you wish to treat by measuring the length, width, and height of the room, and then calculate the room size in cubic feet or cubic meters. Note the final size. On the back of the Halo unit and in the Halo's user manual is a fogging time chart. Determine the fogging time by finding your room size and its corresponding fogging time. Turn the fogging time knob on the front of the Halo to the desired run time. Once the room is prepared, plug the Halo into any standard wall outlet. Upon plugging in the Halo, the status indicator light will illuminate green, indicating the Halo is ready to use. The fluid indicator lights will also illuminate to let you know the level of fluid in the reservoir and if you need to add more Sanosil disinfectant. The easy-to-read fluid level indicator will show one red flashing light if the reservoir is empty. Use only Sanosil disinfectant in the Halo unit. Do not dilute. To add fluid, press down on the reservoir door, then lift to expose the filling funnel. Open a gallon of Sanosil disinfectant and slowly pour the contents into the funnel to avoid splashing. The fluid level indicator lights will illuminate to show how much disinfectant is in the unit. In operation, the Halo dispenses approximately 1 ounce of Sanosil per minute and holds up to 2 gallons of disinfectant when full, enough for 4 one-hour applications. Stop pouring when the top green light on the fluid indicator is illuminated. Do not overfill. Wipe up any spills and close the reservoir door, ensuring it clicks shut. To begin the treatment process, press and hold the start button for approximately 2 seconds. The green status indicator light will begin to flash red, indicating you have 30 seconds to leave the room before the Halo begins dispensing its disinfecting mist. The flashing red status indicator light will change to a steady red when the dispensing of atomized Sanosil begins. Make a note of the time the fogging process was started. The room cannot be reoccupied until the treatment process is complete, plus an additional 90 minutes. Sanosil recommends a sign be posted outside the room being treated to inform others that a disinfecting procedure is in progress, and that it is not safe to enter the room until the treatment cycle is complete. Sanosil has included sign artwork in the Halo Fogger user manual. Just fill in the blanks and post on the door. When the Halo has finished dispensing, the room will be full of atomized Sanosil disinfectant and should not be entered. The status indicator will continue to illuminate a steady red. You may re-enter the room when the green status indicator light on the top of the fogger is illuminated. At this time, it is recommended that you open all doors to allow ventilation and airflow circulation in the room. Also, remove any covers from smoke detectors at this time. Sanosil also recommends the use of a handheld hydrogen peroxide sensor to check for safe levels. To accelerate re-entry into the room, you can use an air handler to assist with ventilation. When the treatment process is complete, unplug the Halo and remove the unit from the room. When treating multiple rooms with one Halo fogger, the unit can be removed after the dispensing cycle is complete. Before entering the room, proper personal protection equipment should be put on, including wraparound style goggles, an N95 respirator mask or better, and gloves. Remember to close the door upon exiting. Once you are finished disinfecting with the Halo, store the unit in its upright position in a safe, dry location. It is not necessary to drain the Halo of any remaining disinfectant. The Halo Fogger's ease of use and efficient performance makes it the perfect choice to complement your regular cleaning and disinfecting practices. The Halo's 4 easy steps of fill, set time, press start, and leave the room are all it takes to achieve maximum efficacy. With a disinfecting mist that reaches deep into places difficult to get to, such as cracks and crevices, places that challenge regular cleaning and disinfecting methods. Sanosil's Halo Fogger, extending the thoroughness of room disinfection.